Good evening, AVLG. I'm Rajata, a preschool teacher, very proud about it. Today, I'm here to talk about happy parenting topic. Thanks, Kavitaka and all the moderators, Rajni Karthikaka, for this wonderful opportunity for all the teachers you have given. It is a pleasure to be with children to teach children. Coming to the topic, happy parenting, I personally feel the joy in that. Uh, it was a very joyous process and very tricky on the other side too. First 7 years of um, is like a foundation, and it's very important in all the children's life. Throughout the journey is important, but first 7 years of journey, where the major brain development takes place, is very important, and it will be a parent's duty to give a correct, proper environment to that child to grow. It's a general talk. Few people tell they are very small, it's not important, let them be, etc., etc. But in that tender age, it's very important for us to teach them the basic things. According to me, I divide into four parts. First, coming to love and care, the maximum love and care to be given to a child by the parents. No compromise, full 100% love and care to be given to a child. Secondly, involving in the house course. Okay. Age wise, there is uh, there is sorry age wise there is what do you say there is a line, there is few compulsions you should teach your children. Very small age you let them play. Later on, in small things they should start helping at home. They should also start talking. We should give a chance for them to talk. We should start understanding their feeling rather than pressurizing about our feelings. And nextly, as they grow older and older, responsibilities, everything to be given at the proper age. This will be a parent's responsibility to do this. Thirdly, exposure, right kind of exposure. The environment you give at home and the way you treat your child and the way you want your child to get exposed. Yes, you should not be overprotective, or you should not be over left. You should give a proper exposure at the proper age. A child to be given a proper exposure at the proper age. Coming to a last, respect. Yes, at home and outside, the amount of respect your child should get, it's a parent's responsibility to teach the child to behave in the same way, to earn the respect. and it's a parent's responsibility to give the amount of respect your child deserves. No child is deprived of any respect either at home or outside, so it will be a parent's responsibility to look into all the four things: um, love and care, um, responsibility, involvement at home, understanding their feelings. Thirdly, exposure, right exposure at the right age. Fourthly, the respect. Thank you.